Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing another favorites video, my favorites for the month of May. If you want to see my other favorites video, definitely check out this video right here. This is another collab video with Jessica from Jessica MyRose and other girls here on YouTube. Jessica is the host of this collab and I'm so happy to be doing this again with her. So if you want to know what my favorites are, let's go ahead and get into it. I have mostly makeup items here. There are some lifestyle items and some food items. So let's start with the food item. One of my favorites that I've been eating lately, and I think this is like my third container of this. This is the honey roasted nut mix, cashew, almonds, pecans, and pistachio. This is the most delicious nut treat. I got this at Costco, just perfectly seasoned with honey, a little bit sweet, a little bit salty, and the cashews, like they're my favorite type of nuts. So here's what it is. It's almost empty. My husband and I are always fighting over this. Perfect healthy snack. This is by the brand Savannah Orchards. There's 170 calories per serving, 90 milligrams of sodium, so it's not even salty. It's not like high in sodium at all. This is like the perfect everyday snack. Next item that you guys need in your life is this cotton swab variety pack by Up&Up. You can find this brand at Target, and basically it has 3 different kinds of Q-tip. Now, if you are a makeup lover like myself, you're gonna need all these. This one, I love this because of the precision tip. I use this a lot to get rid of like a mascara smudge that is super close to the lash line. This one is just for every day, but I also use it to like clean up my lipstick line. And this one I use for my brow line. So it just depends on what I need. This one is two-sided. So you've got the sharp tip and then you also have this rounded tip right here. I love, and you get a nice good amount. So get yourself one of these and thank me later. The other thing is this purple nail polish by Sally Hansen. It's from their Insta Dry Pride collection. So they have, I believe, like 11 colors, all the colors from the Pride rainbow. This was gifted to me by Sally Hansen and Influencer. I got 2 colors, the blue one and the purple one, which I both love equally, but I do love the purple formula better. They kind of have different formulas. The blue one is more like see-through. It almost looks like the best way to describe it is like sandals, like jelly sandals or something. Like it's kind of see-through. That's how I describe the blue, which is equally beautiful in its own right. But this one, purple, super opaque at first pass. But the one thing that they have in common is their quick dry formula. I love the Sally Hansen quick dry formula. It's perfect for on the go. So I really love this. Thank you to Influencer and Sally Hansen for gifting me this in exchange for my review. Another favorite of mine is actually new from my Ipsy bag. This is the Cocoa Edit Black Magic Liquid Eyeliner by Eyeco. I have been loving the brown eyeliner lately because it's not as harsh on your face. It's just like that gentle line and it just outlines and frames your eyes nicely. I've been kind of using a wing on a day-to-day basis lately, even for work. Because it's brown, it's not as bright or it's not as deep. And so it just looks more natural in a way, perfect for work. The formula is great. It's long lasting. This is actually one of the first products that I've tried from Eyeco, and I've only heard great things about this brand. So definitely get yourself one of these. Another oldie highlighter. Oh my gosh, this is from Gigi Cosmetics, the only blush duo in the color Authentic and Pride. But look at that. I love this during the summertime, and that's the color right there. So I love that color on me, and it also has kind of like a slight sheen to it. When my cheekbones hit the light, it just gives it that nice flushed color. In fact, let's go ahead and add a little bit more. There you go. I love this kind of peachy pink color on me. Next item is by L'Oreal Infallible Freshwear Powder Foundation. So you guys know last year I reviewed all sorts of foundations, liquid powder foundations, and this one was one of the newest ones that had come out last year. This color in 330, a little brown and deep for my skin tone, but I do use it as a contour. So I love it as a bronzer slash contour on my face. It's a little bit more subtle and it's perfect for those no makeup days. Like ever since summer hit and it got really hot, I stopped wearing foundation. I've only used concealers under my eyes. And so when I have this, it just kind of adds a little bit more coverage and just kind of cleans up the face, if that makes sense. This is the color right here. It comes with a mirror right there. And it also has a little sponge underneath. It has such good coverage. It's insane. So get yourself one of these. Definitely a current favorite of mine. I've been using it almost every day for the last 2 weeks. Next item, guys, is this Charlotte Tilbury Lippy. This is in the color Walk of No Shame. One of my most favorite lippies. Let's go ahead and apply some right now. I love how thin and compact it is. I love the formula. It's hydrating. It's not fully matte. So it just gives you that perfect sheen on your lips, and it kind of gives you the illusion of a more plumped lips. This is one of Charlotte Tilbury's best-selling lippies. Actually, I think they say there's one sold every minute or every 2 minutes, something like that. So if you have a budget for Charlotte Tilbury, definitely get this one. Okay. The next item is this one by Tarte, the Brow and Root Camo Kit. For everyday, I use this one, and I use this tiny brush right here to shape my brows, and this black is the perfect color for my brows as well. This is in the color black brown, so it's not too dark, it's not too light. And then I love this brush because when I'm in a hurry and I need to touch up my roots, I have like less hair around like here on my hairline, so I don't really put my hair up that much. But if I do want to perfect that hairline, I use this. I actually have a video on how to hide bald spots, so I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah, it just kind of deepens the scalp and it's perfect. There you go. Let's try this one right here. If you're in a hurry and you have an event and you need to touch up, why not, right? Yeah, I remember when I was younger and I had really, really thick hair, but now it needs a little help. Now you have this illusion of like a full set of hair underneath, right? So I love this for my brows. I love it for my roots. It's like a 2-for-1. Both of the brushes are so functional. Sometimes some of the brushes that come with these kits aren't as good, but they're so useful in every way. So highly, highly recommend this. This one is by Tarte. The next item is a recent purchase from one of my hauls. This is the Revlon Colorstay Skin Awaken Concealer. Now this one has caffeine and vitamin C. This is great at brightening under the eyes. For my skin tone, this is the color 50. According to this, it lasts for 24 hours. It's definitely long lasting. I mean, most concealers are actually under the eyes, but I feel like it also hides my pores. So I usually take it down a little bit lower just to kind of help even out my skin tone. I don't even need to apply foundation after that. So I love this. It is medium to full coverage. You can definitely build it up. I've used it on top of eye creams, and it's Revlon. Very affordable. The only thing that I don't like is the applicator. It is kind of not the best because you have to squeeze it out, and this is a sponge applicator. It does feel very soft once the product comes out and it glides on nicely, but then again, you know, there could be contamination. You'd want to wash that brush every now and then. Love this formula, and it's affordable from the drugstore, so get yourself one of these. Oh, this is another new one. This is the INH Super Shine Serum. I think I recently got this about 2 weeks ago from my Ipsy Glam Bag, a Super Shine Serum, which hydrates and adds shine and nourishes the hair. This is for the hair, guys. I just apply like 2 pumps. Let's do that now. I applied 2 pumps and it's clear. And you might think, oh, it's oily. It looks a little bit oily, but it just absorbs nicely into the hair. And it gives you that shine without really being wet or oily. Do you see that? So once it dries down, honestly, it's just gonna look super shiny and clean. I'm about to chop my hair off, guys. I asked you guys for a vote online, and I asked you if you'd like me to keep my hair long or just go ahead and cut it. And most of you guys voted to cut it. And so I will be cutting it probably like this short right here. But in the meantime, I love the kind of shine that this gives my hair, and it takes away the frizz. It's not oily at all. Can you guys see that? It just gives me that perfect shine on the hair, like good, healthy looking hair. This is also vegan, cruelty-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free. So definitely check this out. This is gonna be one of my hair holy grails because it's just that good. Last but not the least, it's summer. You guys are gonna need sunscreen. This one was recently gifted to me. It is by the brand Colorscience Sunforgettable Total Protection Face Shield, and this has SPF 50. I have been trying so many sunscreens for the face lately. I've tried the Innisfree one. I still have it. And I also have one for my Fabfitfun box for the summer. So if you're interested in watching what I got, I'll link the video right here. I feel like this one is my favorite because this one is actually tinted. It is water resistant for up to 40 minutes. This comes in either matte or dewy formula. So if you have dry skin, get the dewy one. I have oily skin, and since summer is coming up, I decided to go with the matte. This is amazing, guys. I would say the coverage is light to medium, but it's a strong medium. This is a mineral sunscreen, and most mineral sunscreens have a white cast, guys. So this one has that color that matches your skin, so it's amazing. This is the type of sunscreen you want to wear under makeup or without makeup, but you want to kind of look perfected in a way. Highly recommended. It's around $30 or $35 by Colorscience. By the way, Colorscience brand to me is like the #1 go-to for dermatologists as far as sunscreens for the face. They also have a powder one, but that's like around $70. It's an expensive brand. Thank you to my friend who gifted this to me for my birthday. I'm definitely bringing this on any outdoor trips that we're going on. Let me know if you're interested in another video of like sunscreens for the face and just kind of a review video for different types of sunscreens. Comment down below if you are interested because I do have quite a few different sunscreens now. That is it, guys. I cannot wait to go watch all the other ladies' favorites video in this collab. Each and every one of us have different types of channels, and we have different types of favorites that I'm sure all of you guys can relate to. So definitely check out all the other ladies in this collab. I'll have the playlist linked down in the description box below. I also want to thank Jessica from Jessica MyRose again for hosting this collab and inviting me into this collaboration. And with that said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Give this video a thumbs up, like, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll definitely see you back in my corner soon. Bye.